In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder to get back to an email using the Mail app on your iPhone. To get started, open the Mail app and then find the email that you want to snooze and set a reminder to get back to. This feature was recently added in iOS 16, so make sure that you're first updated to the latest release. Once you find the email that you want to set the reminder for, you can get to the option one of two ways. The first is to access the shortcut by swiping to the right, and then you'll see Remind Me. Choose that and a pop-up menu will appear where you can set when you'd like to be reminded. You can choose an hour, later in the day, or the next. You can also choose the last option and then set a custom date and time to be reminded at. Make your choice and then you'll get a reminder email in your inbox at that time, reminding you to check it out and respond. The other way to access the option is by swiping to the left now in the email, tapping More, and then choosing Remind Me instead of Here. Again, you can then make your choice on when you'd like the email reminder to be sent. And if you get to the email before the reminder goes off, you can clear your reminder by swiping to the left and then tapping Clear. It'll then remove the reminder from that email. This is a feature that's been around for a while in other email apps like Outlook, so it's nice to get the addition inside of Apple Mail now. And that's how you snooze and add an email reminder inside of Apple Mail on your iPhone.